How to make a mortgage payment with Wells Fargo. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can make a mortgage payment with Wells Fargo. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Wells Fargo application. Make sure that you're signed into your account. From this interface, navigate to the Pay and Transfer option from the menu bar at the bottom of the interface. So once you tap on Pay and Transfer, and on next step you have to select Pay Bills. After that, as you can see on the option 2, if your mortgage is not already listed as a pay, you will need to add it. So search for your mortgage company and follow the prompts to add them. Once your mortgage is set up as a pay, you can schedule your payment, specify the amount that you want to pay and date you want the payment to be made. After that, for the convenience, you can set up automatic payments as well, and in that way your mortgage payment will be automatically debited from your chosen account on the scheduled date each month. Now, Wells Fargo will send you a confirmation of your payment, and you can also view your payment history within the application. So for that, you have to make sure that you have a sufficient fund in your chosen account to cover your mortgage payment on the scheduled date. And also make sure that the payments made through BPL are typically processed electronically, and you have to be very mindful of processing time, especially if you are setting up a payment close to due date. So that's it. That's how you can make a mortgage payment with Wells Fargo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.